Hello and welcome to a quick tutorial on using some of the features in Power Teacher Pro that may be helpful for you to identify students that are a high priority to bring in during Little Hawk time and or students that need to be referred to after school homework club. So first, when you're in Power School, you've got your regular navigation page open. The first thing that you're going to want to do is click on Power Teacher Pro. Once you're in Power Teacher Pro, then you're going to go ahead and go on to the left over here and click Progress and click on Traditional. Once you're in there, you'll notice that right now I'm just sorting, or I only have second period Foundations of Science pulled up, so I'm looking at this screen period by period right now. So a couple of things that are useful. If you notice here on the right hand side, it tells me the total number of missing homework assignments that I have in second period, which is 38, total number of late assignments turned in, and total number of assignments that are marked incomplete. If I wanted to go to Power Teacher Pro, I can click on this here and it would take me then to a list of my second period class, and I can look at the different categories here this way. Unfortunately, when you open that, it's not going to sort it by highest priority, or for example, it's not going to start with like the student with the most missing assignments. It's just going to have your students alphabetically listed, and you just have to kind of skim through here and see how many assignments each student is missing, but it doesn't take a whole lot of time to skim through that. If I want to get back to that screen I was just at, I can just come up and hit the back button on my browser. One of the things that I think is super helpful is to actually click this View All here. If you click that, what will happen is it will sort that then for you by student by high priority. The way it sorts is based on grade, not missing assignment, but typically, you know, the more missing assignments a student has, the worse grade that they have. So what we can see here is the students are prioritized by grade. So these students have F's, D's, C's all the way up through passing and A grades. And it actually does take the percentage. So this student would have the lowest percentage currently right now in period 2 Foundations of Science. This tool right here I think is excellent if you want to identify high priority kids to pull in during Little Hawk time. So I could schedule the top 2 kids there, or even maybe the top 4 that I see that are struggling in my class, and have those be my priority for Little Hawk time in a week. The other nice function of this feature in Power School Pro is if you go up here to the top and click on your arrow here, you have the option to see those individual classes. So if I wanted to do the same thing for period 3, I would click on period 3 and just go through the process that I just showed you. Or I can hit groups. And what that will do is it will look at missing assignments, late assignments, incomplete, and grades for all of my classes together. So if I click on that, then if I want to get a snapshot of my, all of the students in my science class, then what I can see here is out of all of my students, I have 143 missing assignments, 15 that are late, and 55 that are incomplete. And again, if I wanted to see what students I needed to call in for Little Hawk time or refer to homework club, I'm going to do View All. And in this time, instead of sorting just by second period, it's going to sort all of my students that I have during the day. So again, those kids in red would be the highest priority, or the students that have the lowest grades, all the way up to the students that are passing. It's kind of nice too, if you look at this grade distribution over here for all of my students, it shows me the number of students that are kind of in trouble here. So I have 28 students that are either failing a class or have a D. However, I have 137 students that have a C or better. So that can be telling too for you to kind of know where your grade distribution is across all sections of your classes. So those are just some unique features of Power School Pro that I think would be helpful for you to identify students for Little Hawk time and after school homework club.